भक्तवृंद समन्वितं श्री चैतन्य प्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानंद सहजितं श्री नंदनंदनं वन्दे श्री राधिका चरणद्वयम् श्री गोपीजन समायुक्तं श्री वृंदावनो मनोहरम् श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Sri Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. So today new people asking some questions. This is Australian Lakshman Das. He said, if someone has entered later life and could die at almost any moment, and if they have not received Harinam or Mantra Diksha, should they do so before they die? Will the result for one be more or less auspicious by doing so or not? First of all, we are getting faith through our pious credit. Pious credit, bhakti unmukhi shukriti. So, your question is very complicated, but very easy also. If you really understand the meaning of spiritual practice. Meaning of spiritual practice is fixing our mind. If person have fixing their mind, if person their mind fixed, fixing their mind towards Lord, but not initiated, they are thinking to get initiation. The next life, that person will take birth in devotee's house. Lord will arrange. Without initiation, no one can be delivered. Because in this regard, we can think about Dhruva Maharaj, when he was in the forest and determined he should meet with Lord. He practicing such austere life. Only fruits. First month, only fruits. Second month, only leaves. Third month, only water. Fourth month, only air. And fifth month, he just stopped. Breathe, stop. Such huge, austere life. So, Lord's has eagerness to come also. How Dhruva has eagerness to meet with Lord, also Lord has eagerness to meet with Dhruva, but unable to come. Therefore he sent Narada Muni. He said, Narada Muni, just go and give him initiation, then I am able to come. So therefore, who is not initiated, but he got sound faith on Harinam, or our paramparas prescribe Harinam, Hare Krishna Mahamantra. If faith is there, it's true, but if he is not initiated by pure devotee, only initiation is not enough. We have to find out pure devotee. Why? Because pure devotee is close to, dear to Lord. Who is dear to Lord, he is able to bring us to Lord. He is not dear to Lord, you have to come again. Same, just who is not dear to Lord, if we get initiation, just like same, getting initiation and not initiation, both are same. Therefore, for pure devotees, searching pure devotee, you have to pray to Krishna, not for any person who is canvassing any societies. Not that. Pray to Krishna. Then Krishna reveal in our heart. Then Krishna will show us the pure devotee. And then we will accept initiation from that pure devotee. That is called proper initiation. I did 8 years. Then my Gurudev appeared. While he has no centers, very poor condition, but I choose him. Anyway, I don't like to go through. I think you understand my point. Fixing our mind. But without initiation, you will get born again, another devotees. Lord will arrange everything in your favor. The Lord arranged Narada Muni to give initiation through. Similarly, so you will get birth in human form, in devotee's house, then get initiation, Lord will arrange. And my second question, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is it Sri Kalyan Kalpaturu explained that one must in all humility reveal his heart to the Vaishnava, and the Saragrahi Vaishnava will pray to the Lord on his behalf. Hearing such a prayer from a genuine Vaishnava, the Lord is moved with compassion to help the devotee. Can you explain this process? Yes. This is the process of initiation. Initiation not like one ritual. We have to, from the bottom of our heart, pray to pure devotee to whom we are going to accept initiation. Then Galavastra Kitanjali Vaishnava Nikati. I think you sent that. Send that. Vaishnava Nikate Dante Tino Kari Dalaiva Nishkapa means Galavastra Kitanjali Vaishnava Nikate. Keeping the upper garment hanging on the neck with folded palm in front of Vaishnava. Dantatino means keep a straw in between the teeth, and then that means what? I accept everything to you, and no question of debate, just I surrender to you, please. When Vaishnava look that, Vaishnava become happy to see our surrender. Then the Guru is praying for us. Guru bestow his mercy to us, and Guru praying for us to Lord to deliver us. Therefore, real Guru for their chanting Gayatri, it takes a lot of time. It's not like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Lot of time, because he is praying for all his followers who really depending on him. My spiritual master used to take more than 3 hours for chanting Gayatri, Puja, everything. More than 3 hours. I don't know others. So anyway, so Sarograhi Vaishnava will pray. Sarograhi means who is taking only one, taking essence. Sar means essence. Who is accepting only essence, not looking any other. So yeah, Saragrahi means pure devotee. They are Saragrahi, they are praying on our behalf to Lord. And Lord then is putting his vision to us. Then bestow mercy through the pure devotee to us. Okay, and does it need to be done directly, meaning a direct dialogue between the two parties, or can it be done indirectly through prayer, meaning from a distance? Yeah, Guru's and disciples' connection, heart-to-heart connection. Physically, it's good, but problem is this, due to your lack of faith, sometimes we are feeling this Guru is like a human being. As soon as we feel Guru human being like me, he's sleeping, he's eating, he's joking, mocking, as soon as we feel it, then Padma Puran says, Guru Naramoti means Narokisha, means we have to, as soon as we have such feeling, Guru is like a human being like me, then we are going to hell. Narokisha means our direction to Narok. So therefore, better to associate physically little bit and staying far and pray far. This is the best way nowadays, because Kali Yuga, everybody has a material understanding and they are accordingly they are behaving. So therefore you have to be very careful. The 5 things. Guru Naramoti. When worshipping Saligram, you should not think about Saligram like one stone. Arche Vishnu Shiladi Guru Naramoti. And any Vaishnava, you should not judge which caste he is. Any caste, he is Vaishnava. He may not be Guru, but Vaishnava. And then Charanamrit, we should not think it is like a nectarian liquid, we have to take it. And holy name is like some syllable. It's the 5 things. If we just we just make little bit mistake, then Narokisha, go to Narok, hell. Therefore, I'm telling you, yeah, your question is clear. I hope I explain you. Dialogue should be from our heart to pray to Lord and to by Guru, spiritual master, and Guru will convey the message. But if you are Gurudevatma means whatever understanding, whatever requirement of Guru, it will reveal to your heart. So, then I will include the words. Okay, here is I already explained that. So anyway, actually our main class is the Raya Ramananda Sangha, conversation between Raya Ramananda and Mahaprabhu. But I cannot read this all Kollan Kalpataru. But anyway, I think what I explain, you understand what I say. Kadiya janaibo dukkho glamo samsaro anale hoite magiva vishramo. It is too high, too advanced position of humility. So when I finish this, then I can give the discourses on that basis. But in brief, I already explained you, Lakshman. So now there is a who is this Krishna Kinkar Australia now? Krishnamurti. Yeah. Question by Joy Bhakti Devi. Are all the people living in Vrindavan pure devotee? This is the question. Very nice. You are asking this question. Yeah, pure devotee means who have been fixed his mind to Lord's services eternally. That they are pure devotee. But nowadays it's Bhauma Vrindavan, which is material Vrindavan. I don't think so they are thinking. I think most of the people here, they are trying to squeeze from Krishna. They are not serving Krishna, but they are trying to squeeze as much as they can from Krishna for their own sense gratification. Therefore, I am not thinking they are pure devotee. That's all I can say. But you have to know, the real Vrindavan, only pure devotee can enter. Transcendental Vrindavan, only pure devotee eligible to enter. There, everybody pure devotee. But here, discrimination is there. Whatever we dedicate, how much we have dedication, that much we have realization. No dedication, no realization. So, that much I can say. I hope you understand what I want to say. Still I am not able to see anyone. The devotee name is Bhakta Rupa. Damodar, I think Damodar should be. No, Damodar not. Damodar not here. So anyway, looks like these are questions. Today a question came from Australia, Lakshman. So I'm happy that gradually people are asking questions. So the Sri Chaitanya Charitamritam, Madhya-lila, Ashtam Parichet, 8th chapter, Madhya-lila, Chaitanya Charitamritam. I think we 245. 243. আচ্ছা, প্রভু পুছে রামানন্দ করে নে উত্তর, এই মতো সেই রাত্রে কথা পরস্পর। Whole night we know Mahaprabhu performed Sankirtan in Siva Sangam, means Mayapur, Navadvip. That Sankirtan vibration all over the world now. We may say, my Guru spread the message. Without Mahaprabhu's potency, we are not able to do so. All we are servant of Mahaprabhu. As soon as we are able to establish such mood, then we are able to get the taste of our spiritual practice. Our main taste of spiritual practice is become blissful. Who become blissful under any circumstances, he is keeping tolerance. He always humble merciful, not has no any negativity, we can say. He has appreciation. Whoever little bit practice, he always appreciated. I saw my spiritual master, therefore I tell you that. So, here Raya Ramananda, there Shiva Sangha Mahaprabhu, here Raya Ramananda, bank of Godavari river. Mahaprabhu met with Raya Ramananda in that Brahmin house, whole night. Before I went, this is the first day, the second day. Yesterday we already read that Raya Ramananda says, please stay here 10 days, at least 10 days. Then Mahaprabhu intellectually answered, why 10 days only? I want to be with you eternally. And then he approached, let's come to Puri. Then we can, day and night, we can talk about Radha Krishna's glories. I want to hear from you. So look this. Mahaprabhu actually establishing our standard to meet with any devotees. Pure devotee should not just speak about project. Pure devotee, they will share, according to the standard of devotee, they will share, they will exchange devotional topics, they will exchange only. What devotional topics? Which we are going to fix in our mind. Hari Naam, Hari Katha, both two things are there. But anyway, so look at what Ramananda said. Prabhu Puchhe Ramananda Kore na uttar means Mahaprabhu Puchhe means asking, Ramananda giving answer accordingly. Ei moto sei ratre katha paraspar, that night, the conversation, the talking amongst each other, that whole night, that is. Mahaprabhu asking, Ramananda answering. Again I am telling you, Mahaprabhu is Sannyasi, Bhagavan, also materially born in Brahmin family. Ramananda Rai is not Brahmin, he is not Sannyasi, but Sannyasi, Brahmin. Still he is asking the Lord, still he is asking, just to teach us what is the. Therefore my spiritual master used to say, humility is ornament of Vaishnavism. Again I am telling you, humility is ornament of Vaishnavism. So anyway, Prabhu kahe kon vidya moddashan. I think I said it. I explained that. Prabhu kahe kon vidya moddashan. Which study is the essence of all study? Who says? Who asking this question? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Which study? Raya kahe Krishna bhakti bina vidya nahiya. Raya Ramananda says, without Krishna bhakti, there is no other study where we can compare with Krishna bhakti. Krishna bhakti is supreme. And Krishna bhakti, without Krishna bhakti, there is no any other study exists which can deliver us from our miserable condition. So this is the reason. So Vidya, I think I explained yesterday. Nowadays we become puffed up. We are always thinking that I have education. One of our sannyasi, I don't like to say the name, this Gaudiya Math, very known, educated person. Then I say, may not be educated, but they are dedicated. What is most important, education, academic education or dedication? Think about it. Srila Gaur Krishna Das Babaji Maharaj has no academic education. He has full dedication. Srila Bhakti Vicha Jajavar Goswami Maharaj, not that much academic education. So that we have to think. And that think about this is Raya Ramananda's answer. Krishna Bhakti Vina Vidya Nahi Yaar. Who has Krishna Bhakti, he has everything. Because Krishna is everything. Essence of whole universe is Krishna. So if someone has little Krishna, he has everything. No need. Material doesn't need anything. Just we need Krishna. Once Bhaktivinoda Thakur pray through his song Ma Ravi Rakhavi. He says, you can beat me, you can kill me, you can keep me at any places. But allow me to be near to its pure devotee. Why? In the heart of pure devotee, Supreme Lord is resting. Supreme Lord is resting, R-E-S-T-I-N-G, resting, forever, eternally. Therefore, to live near to pure devotee is also considered like a living near to Lord. That we have to think. Again, if we just think about our previous teachers, what they say about academic degree. They say, पढ़ा लिखा सीखे लोग कृष्ण भक्ति लभिबारे ता यदि ना हलो तो विद्या की करे पढ़ा लिखा means study, academic study. Our main purpose for academic study to gain Krishna bhakti. If that is not taking place, then vidya ki kar, what is our use to get that such study? Like someone engineer, like civil engineer. So civil engineer, then we call. We have to make a temple, we call him. They say, I like to get, this is my church. I'll do that. That means he's doing karma, not doing any seva for Krishna. When you look, everything belongs to Lord and do seva for Krishna. Do seva mode. If you do seva and service, Lord always protecting us. Look, all of us, we are 30 people, 30 devotees, not people. 30 devotees living here, not doing anything. 3 months, we are here. When lockdown started, I was thinking how to manage the temple's expenses. I was thinking that, it was my mind. I was thinking about it. Almost 3 months over. No one can say, oh, there is no food, I am fasting. No. Yes, everyone. I think over food than normally. How it is coming? I don't know even. But it is there. Someone sending 1 ton rice. Yeah. Someone sent 1 ton rice. 1 ton rice, 30 people maybe need 6 months to finish. 6, 7 months. Only 3 months. Someone give 1 bag, 50 kilogram dal. It's coming. It's going on. So, how Krishna will protect us, we don't know. But we are thinking, if I do seva only, how can I manage my family? Then we may think about it. Krishna is ultimate protector. You know, Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, his disciple Kunjaviri Vidyabhushan. Kunjaviri Vidyabhushan was householder. And whatever salary from his office he used to get, he offered everything to his Gurudev, Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta. And Prabhupada, he sent them a part of the money to his family in that way. So, there is no injustice, always justice, proper justice. Lord arrange. Anyway, so Parla Likha Shikhe Lok Krishna Bhakti Lobhivare Tajudin Nahalata Vidyai Ki Kare. If our ultimate goal of academic education, not like a Krishna Bhakti, something else, then there is no eligible, no utility to get study and spending a lot of time. Just waste of time. Why I am telling so waste of time? Our main purpose to be here with this human form, to fixing our mind to serve Lord. But if it is of fixing our mind to Lord, fixing our mind to project. So someone constructing some building, fixing our mind there. Whole life we are thinking project. Even nowadays, although we are sannyasi, brahmachari, renounced person, because so many projects going on, so we are thinking about always the project. Again, you should just look. Say se vidyar phal janiya nishchay. Jodi Krishna pada padme chitto vitto ray. The result of academic education, you have to know. To keep our chitto, keep our vitto. Vitto means money, wealth, everything. Chitta means heart, intelligence, consciousness, everything. Jodi Krishna pada padme chitto vitto ray. If we keep our chitta and vitto to the lotus feet of Krishna, then we can say proper fruits of study. This is the code I am using. Says se vidyar phala janiya nishchay. Please know the actually fruits of our study, academic study, to keep our chitto and vitto, means heart, mind, consciousness, whatever money, wealth, everything we accumulate for Krishna services. Then it is okay. I hope you understand why Raya Ramananda says that Krishna Bhakti Vina Vidya Nahiya. There is no any other study, there is no any other study exist where we can compare with Krishna Bhakti, Bhakti Vidya. So, in this regard, I would like to tell you there's one, so many songs is there. Like Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Jala Vidya Jato Mayara Vaibhava Tomaro Bhajane Badha. Jala Vidya means academic education. This is opulence of illusion. Opulence of illusionary energy, which is obstacles to serve Lord. That is explained by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Moho jano miya anitya sangsare jeevke karoye gadha. Means we are jeev, living entities. We become like a gadha. Gadha means a donkey. It's very awkward, right? To hear, we are donkey. No, we are human being. But how donkey working hard for nothing? We are also working so hard, pretty hard. But after all, you shall see children blaming. I saw many family, an old couple, they say, see, I fully dedicate to serve, to fully dedicate for looking after my children and study and give them enough stuff. Arrange all my energy I put behind them. Now, look, they are not in my favor. They are blaming me, what I am doing for them. You know, just to look, maybe if some people have like that, they are loyal, the children is loyal. But most of the people, their children is not loyal. Therefore, we have to think about what our previous teacher says. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Jala Vidya Jato Mayara Vaibhav Tumara Bhajane Badha Moho Janamiya Anitya Sangsare Jeevke Karohe Gadha. So donkey, as a donkey, how they are carrying big, huge, heavy weight from one place to another place. For someone, but they are not able to get the benefit, anything, just bringing, giving food, someone giving food. So, moho janami, moho means bewildered. Because of illusionary energy is such attractive that make people bewildered to be there. And next, one after another, next choice. You not work out, then another one. Then work out, another one. Whole life. I can give an example, There is a devotee in 1991, I think. Name is Devabrata Prabhu, one of my godfather. He used to work in State Bank of India, Calcutta, Dalhousie branch. He used to work there. So anyway, I used to preach over there, Dalhousie area. I met with him. Then he became devotee and he took initiation from Gurudev. Then 1992 or 1993, most probably, he said to Gurudev, Guru Maharaj, I am thinking to leave my job and come to temple. Whatever pension I will get, that's enough to manage my family. I like to dedicate. Gurudev said, Baba, your family, whatever you do, first you think, then you do. But anyway, after 6 months, he resigned his job. Then I said, Prabhu, come, this will be helpful for us. You know, my daughter, I like to arrange my daughter marriage first. Anyway, daughter marriage in 94, 95 around. Then daughter pregnancy. Then daughter divorce. Pregnancy, get a baby. Then daughter divorce. Then his son-in-law, he was income tax officer. Income tax inspector. So much money, so much. I don't know what exact reason they divorced amongst each other. Then he says, you know, this daughter in our home, I have to look after his case. Then 2006, 2007, once he came with his whole family. So Prabhu, when? I am waiting for you. 93, 94, 95, after 10 years he came. Then Maharaj, I feel weak, you know, physically weak. I don't think so. And also my wife, he become lame, you know, he fall down, I have to look after my wife. Over. Then just last year, I saw his daughter came with his son, Rishi. Then I said, hey, what happened? What is your father? Just my sound, his face like down. I said, father have been expired 3-4 years ago. Just last year. So look, he has target one to dedicate. This is a moho, bewildered for family. Actually, maintainer is Lord. If you don't believe it, of course, material duty you have to perform. Even he is not coming to stay in our temple one day. Since he left his job, he is such a busy for his family activities. He has no time to come temple even one day. And now he expired. And even I doesn't know that. Just last year, his daughter came, and then I asked her. Anyway, so this is the moho. Do you understand the moho? Moho jano miya. Anitya samsara. Anitya means, this is Krishna Bhakti. You understand that. Anitya means which is not eternal. For the time being, we have good relation, after that, break. Moho jano miya. Anitya samsare. Jeep ke karo he kada means, break means, but thinking we can be happy, not happiness. Then again we have to keep some project or endeavor, 1 business, 2 business, 3 business, 4 business. Business, no time for chanting and thinking. Similarly, you can see nowadays our mentality like the whole day managing temple. Finally, no time for chanting whatever Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur says. Chant 64 rounds, which is we attentively chant, it takes only 4 to 5 hours maximum, not more than that. 4 to 5 hours maximum. 4 minutes one round, we chant properly. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In this way, if we chant 4 minutes, maybe 4 minutes, 1 second, 10 seconds, like that. That, for me, it is like that. But I don't know others. But attentively, if we chant, no phone call, nothing is there. No any speaking with others. Takes like that. So anyway, Mohojana miya anitya sansare jitke karo e gadha. Then one place in that song, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Vidyaro gaurabe bhrami deshe deshe dhana uparjana kari. Vidyar gaurav. Become proud of our educational degree. Vidyara gaurava bhrami deshe deshe. Getting job one after another and traveling one country to another country, one city to another city. Dhana purpose, dhana uparjan means getting money, earning money. Mohojana Vidyara gaurave bhrami deshe deshe dhana uparjana kari. With the money, what are doing? Sajana palana kori agamone bhulinu tomare hari. Sajar means to whom I think is my relative. Oh, to whom? My wife, my husband, my children, if this parents fortunate, they may think parents. And if not parents fortunate, then the parents is useless, now old, let them go to the old age home. And if their parents have property, they will look after a little bit. No property, they will throw you. Mostly like that. So it is the utility of this material world. Material world is thinking about only sense enjoyment desire, fulfilling the sense enjoyment desire. So therefore, that material education, academic degree, is not our goal, ultimate goal. For managing material life, it is needed. It is true, it is needed. But we have to always keep equilibrium between our material duties and spiritual practice. Not like a fully material duties, no spiritual practice. So, what they say, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Dhana uparjana kori, sajana prana kori agmane, bhulinu tomare hari. You forget Hari. As soon as you forget Hari, what will happen? Always come down to the material world with different form according to our activities. That is one. Even go to the Vidyapati. Vidyapati is a great Vaishnava poet. He says, he just explained our life, human life. Have intelligence, what is supposed to do, why we are doing, and what is the consequence. Everything explained in that way. Ta tala shaikata bari bindu shama Shutamita ramani shamaje tohe bishori mon tohe shamore pilu abomoju hobo kono kaje. This is Maithili language, very nice language, you know. Tatala means hot. Tatala means hot. Shaikat means sand. Tatala saiketa. Bari means water. Bindu means drop, one drop of water. On the hot sand, if you put it, how much the duration of that water? Fraction of second, not only 1 second. Fraction, if you just divide it of second, fraction of second. Patala shaikata bari bindu shama Shuto mito ramani samaje. This material world like a hot sand. And in that hot sand, our life like a drop of water. What? This material society. Surrounded by who? Shuta means son, Mita means friend, Ramani means wife. That society surrounding. This material society. Son, friends and wives. Samaje तुहें बिश्वरी मोन ताही समर पिलो. You give me the mind to fixing your services, but I fix that mind to that society which is surrounded by son, children, can say children, and mito means friends and wives. To that. Shuddha mito ramani samaje तुहें बिश्वरी मोन ताहे समर पिलू. Surrendered there to that society, which is only children, wives and friends. So now I become old. Abba moju hobo kon kaje. Abba means now. Moju means mine. Now, how can I be useful for it? Old age. Old age. Old age means organ inactives. Right? Knee pain, lower back pain, like my arms pain, Last 2 years, I'm getting the arm pain. What to do? I'm taking glucosamine MSM, but it looks like something wrong out there. Anyway, Viddhakal, Avala, Sabasukha Bhagala, the old age coming means all happiness gone. Pida Vashahainu Katar. Pida means all the disease will come. Like last several days, still I have little bit coughing trouble. 3 days ago it was like a suffocation. Then I decided not to take any milk product. Then I need to walk. No milk product, it's working. Anyway, then Vidyapati says, this whole prayer like this. Since our childhood, she says, how we spend from whole life I spend how. He says that, Vidyapati said that, Adha janam ham nidhe guayolu. Half of my lives I spend through sleeping, just sleeping half of my life. Nidhe means sleep, guayolu means passing half of my life through sleeping. Jara shishu kato dirna gela. Jara means sickness. Shishu means childhood. Jara also means also old age. Kato dina gela. So many days passing. And when youth, Nidhu Monne Ramoni Rasharangya Matolu, this lonely place, Nidhuvan means a lonely place, not like a Nidhuvan. Lonely place, passing hours and hours with one Ramani, what woman, passing, spiritually, if you look, Krishna always with so many gopis. But materially, we don't want so many. One by one. Right? whatever spiritually appreciation, here not appreciation there. Material world appreciate single. So Nidhubone Ramoni Rasharanga Matolu. Nidhubon, because according to the law, material law, if you have keeping more wife, then court will come to you, right? If there's someone complain, otherwise everything okay. So anyway, so what happened? The Nidhubana Ramani Rasharanga Matolu. Matolu means completely addicted. Addiction there. Youth age become addicted to speak, to spend most of the time for sense gratification, desire with women. Then when I am able to serve you, whole life passing like this way. Then Vidyapati says, Madhavo, Hey Madhav, Hey Krishna, Ham Parinama Nirasha, means I don't have any other hope for my deliverance. Tu Jagatarana, Tuhu Jago, you are the only one personification to deliver all people, eligible to deliver all. Tuhu Jagatarana. Dina Daya Mayo, you are very merciful to fallen soul. Ate Twari Vishasha, therefore I surrender to you. Surrender is that. That is, this. When they get Krishna Bhakti, then that such mind comes. Mind fixing like this. Twari Vishayasha. Then he says, Kata Chatur Ananna Mori Mori Jayata. So many Brahma, they are passing their body. Brahma's age, just look. Brahma's age 100 years, but not like our 100 years. Brahma, one day means 14 Manmantar. One Manmantar means 71 Chaturjug. One Chaturjug means Satya Teta Dapurkoli, means golden age, silver age, copper age, iron age together. It's called one Chaturjug. The 71 Chaturjug means one Manmantar. So many. One day means like that. So that Brahma also delivered by you. So I am, please deliver me. Such prayer, such surrender. When we have to do it, we have to surrender to that pure devotees. Who is pure? Which is prescribed by Lord. Therefore, always you may look, I always explain that appointed. That contains appointed. What means? Lord appoint, Prabhu here, Lord appoint through his pure devotees. Pure devotee can appoint pure devotee. Anyway, that is the Vidyapati's prayer. Apart from that, so many other prayer is there. Other prayer, Vidya, Krishna Bhakti Vidya Bina, Krishna Bhakti Bina Vidya Nahiya. It is, if you just go to material field, they say you are useless. You are like fanatics. Guna. Yeah, fanaticism. We don't believe fanaticism, but it is not fanaticism. Krishna Bhakti says always equilibrium, material duties and spiritual practice. Every ashram has different duties. Why? Because if you're a householder, you have to work. You have to work hard. Hard means with your best ability, work, get money, support your family, and practice. Not like you only work. Wherever we go, first of all, you have to know our main purpose to fix our mind towards Krishna services. That we have to do. Therefore, our previous teachers, they gave us that curriculum. What curriculum? Get up early morning, attend Mangalarati, or to perform Mangalarati. Then finish or better to before Mangalarati, finish your Gayatri. This is the best. Before Mangalarati, finish your Gayatri. The best. Then clapping. Then open the cartoon or open the door of temple. Then offer something to Lord. Usually we are doing butter and sugar candy and water. Of course, there is some rinse the Lord mouth. So there is some Ragosava like that. Then offering Mangalarati. Then chanting, then go to work. Then come back, do something. So anyway, today I am not able to go ahead. 2 days, one cortex. Prabhu kahe, kon vidya vidya madhya sag, Rai kahe, Krishna bhakti bina vidya naya. So I will explain tomorrow also about it. And I hope you understand my points. If you don't understand, don't hesitate to write me, to ask me. Just ask Krishnamurti, or an Australian devotee can ask Lakshman, and other devotee can ask Damodar Prabhu from Punjab, who is working in Malaysia. Very nice Prabhu, Damodar Prabhu. Thank you very much, all of you. Hare Krishna. See you tomorrow.